Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you on how you can delete your SHEIN account. So let's start by opening the application. Once you're here, go ahead and tap on the Me tab at the bottom right corner. Let's click that, and once you're here, go ahead and tap on the setting icon right here at the top right corner, and then just go ahead and open the Manage My Account. So in here, you have the option to delete the account, so click on that one. So here, you just have to click on Apply to Delete Account. So you have to read all these. So please take note that if you submit a deletion request, all accounts registered with the verified email address or phone number will be deleted from their system. So once deleted, accounts cannot be restored. So you just have to click on Apply to Deletion Account, and then your account will be deleted from the SHEIN system. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!